If you have water leaking into your toilet bowl, chances are the problem is here inside the tank. Don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it in 15 minutes. Now, if your toilet tank looks like this, you really have a problem because water's going to spill all over the floor. Now, actually, we cut out the front of this so you could see what it looks like inside. It's really quite simple. There's two components. There's the flush valve, which essentially is the flapper that opens to actually flush the toilet, and the fill valve. That's what fills the toilet. Now, if water is leaking into the bowl, 90% of the time you need to replace this flapper. This comes undone, and water will start to go inside here. You'll shut the water off to the toilet. Then take this old flapper, which may be misshapen from years of use. Then take some steel wool and then wipe inside around this flush seat because you want to make sure that it's nice and clean before the new universal flapper goes in. Now you pop that inside, you put the little tabs on the rings that are on the overflow tube right here, and then you go ahead and you clip the chain onto the handle. Just like that. Then it flushes. Now, if you're still hearing water run, it could be that the water level is too high. This overflow tube right here is to allow water, if the level's too high, to drain down into the toilet. Make sure that the water level is at least about an inch below this rod. If you ensure that the level is right and the flapper is new, the toilet won't leak. You fixed it in 15 minutes.